Welcome to Cubex Kits and Projects. In this video we will discuss the project, Digital Timer with Water Level Controller. A water level controller with a countdown timer is a device that helps regulate the amount of water in a tank or reservoir. The countdown timer feature allows the user to set a specific time duration for the pump to operate and fill the tank to the desired level. Once the countdown timer reaches 0 or the level sensor senses the tank is full, the pump automatically shuts off, preventing the tank from overfilling. This type of water level controller is especially useful in situations where the water supply is limited or there are restrictions on water usage. For instance, in areas with water scarcity, it can help ensure that the water is used efficiently and prevent wastage. The device typically consists of a sensor that detects the water level in the tank and sends a signal to the controller unit, which then deactivates the pump. The countdown timer can be set manually by the user or programmed to start or stop automatically at specific intervals. Overall, a water level controller with a countdown timer is a cost-effective and efficient solution for managing water usage in households, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. Other uses of digital timer: mobile phone overcharging preventer. A countdown timer can be used to prevent mobile phone overcharging by setting a specific time limit for the charging process. Here are the steps to follow. Plug in your mobile phone to the charger. Set the countdown timer for the desired charging time. The recommended charging time for most mobile phones is 2 to 3 hours. Start the countdown timer. Once the countdown timer reaches 0, unplug your mobile phone from the charger. By using a countdown timer, you can ensure that your mobile phone is not overcharged, which can damage the battery and shorten its lifespan. Additionally, we can leverage the same hardware to cater to various functionalities within the realm of home automation. A countdown timer can be used in home automation to automatically turn on or off devices or appliances after a certain period of time has elapsed. Here are some examples. Lights: you can install a countdown timer switch to automatically turn off the lights in a room after a set period of time. This is useful in rooms where people often forget to turn off the lights when leaving, such as the bathroom, pantry, or laundry room. HVAC: you can use a countdown timer to turn on or off your heating or cooling system after a certain period of time. This is useful if you want to cool down or warm up a room before you arrive, or to save energy by turning off the system after you've left. Watering: you can use a countdown timer to control your sprinkler system so that it only waters your garden or lawn for a set amount of time. This can help you conserve water and save money on your water bill. Appliances: you can use a countdown timer to turn off appliances such as fans, air purifiers, or humidifiers after a certain period of time. This is useful if you want to use these devices for a short period of time, without worrying about turning them off manually. Overall, a countdown timer can be a useful tool in home automation, allowing you to control your devices and appliances more efficiently and effectively. Cortex M0 MM32F0010 Microcontroller. 3-digit 7-segment LED display modules. Current limiting resistor for 7-segment LED display. Relay driving circuit using transistors. Linear power supply using a bridge rectifier and LM7805. In-circuit program interface for code debugging and code dumping. 4 tactile switches for timer value increment, decrement, start and stop functionalities. Water level signal conditioner using transistors. LED driver for water level indicator. Water level signal from water tank. Since this project utilizes the MM32F0010 microcontroller, let's briefly discuss its features and capabilities. ARM Cortex M0 is the kernel with embedded flash memory and static RAM. Cortex M0 processor is the latest embedded ARM processor. It provides a low-cost platform, reduced pins, decreased system power consumption, superior computing performance, and an advanced interrupt servicing system to realize the requirements of MCU. The ARM Cortex M0 is a 32-bit RISC processor that improves code efficiency and makes full use of the high-performance ARM kernel in the storage space of common 8 and 16-bit systems. This product has a built-in ARM core, so it is compatible with all ARM tools and software. The embedded flash memory of up to 16 kilobytes for storing programs and data, and with embedded static RAM of up to 2 kilobytes. MM32F0010 Microcontroller. A quick overview. Flash memory size is 16 kilobytes for application code and data. Static RAM size is 2 kilobytes. 3 timers, 16-bit universal timer, basic timer and advanced timer. 3 communication interfaces, UART, I2C and SPI. 18 GPIO ports. 8-channel 12-bit ADC. 48 MHz CPU frequency. 2.2 to 5.5 volt operating voltage. Operation temperature, -40 to +105 degrees Celsius. Now, let's examine the hardware components on the PCB of this digital timer with water level controller. 3-digit 7-segment display size 0.56 inch. Pump on-off switch. Timer countdown value increment, decrement switch. ICP programming, debug interface. Tank full indicator LED. Current limiting resistor. Freewheeling diodes to protect the transistors. Main relay indicator LED. Trigger relay indicator LED. 2 diodes rectifier. Relay driver. Main relay output. Trigger relay output. Signal conditioner. MM32F0010 Microcontroller. 12V center tapped transformer connection. 12V AC and tank signal input. In this slide, we will explore the bottom layer of the hardware, where the PCB hosts the leaded components. Main filter capacitor. LM7805 linear regulator IC. 5V output ripple filter capacitor. 12V center tapped transformer connection. ICP programming, debug interface. 12V AC and tank signal input. Signal conditioner capacitors. Main relay and trigger relay. This is the bill of material of digital timer with water level controller.